Now, the hydraulic Florida Ramone kind of sounds like a sort of special edition of the character, if you know what I mean. Which, well, I mean, is not really a special edition, but then again, it's not the normal Ramone, not the normal Ramone, if that's what you call it. That's because many people consider the normal Ramone to be the purple one with the orange flames, which only had only had a single appearance, and that was at the start of the first Cars film. And of course, like the other ones, this one that also has only one, only made one appearance, and that being at the end of Cars 3 at the Florida 500. And he looks he's hydraulic, so he's off the ground, and sadly you can't lower him and raise him, and that's sort of a pet peeve that I have. I wish they did that. I genuinely do. Quite literally grinds my gears. No pun intended, by the way. Yeah, but here. Let's have a look at him. So he's raised up the ground, and you can see his sort of hydraulic suspension, kind of. It's of course, it ain't the most realistic, but it's only a small-ish toy car. So, what do you expect, eh? And he's got sort of a ready a peachy design. He's got, of course, standard wheels and rims, like pretty much all the Ramones do. I don't believe any other Ramone has any different wheels, but please correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments. And going on to the back, his number plate, as always, reads low and slow. Well, not in this instance, but he can still go quite slow, I suppose. So slow. And obviously he's based on a 1959 Chevrolet Impala, which is very accurate to its real life counterpart. And kind of like Sally and Jeff Corbett and who else? I can't think. Who else is very accurate to their counterpart? Chick X, no, Strip Weathers. He's one. And I don't know, carrying on, he looks like he's got a little paint gun. Yeah, because of course, he was painting Cruz Ramirez. Because he was replacing McQueen in the Florida 500. So I guess it makes sense. And he's got sort of a it kind of reminds me of fireworks, doesn't it? Maybe that's just me. And he's got a little pinstriping, as Lightning McQueen calls it, or a bumper sticker. Yeah. And but I don't know what. Yeah. I like him. Do you like him? Tell me in the comments. Have a great day, folks!